There was once peace in Israel, but peace never lasts forever. And now war was drawing near.
I still can't believe it. The Philistines, attacking our land. I just want to go home.
We stop here. Tomorrow, we crush them.
The Israelites were led by King Saul, the first king of Israel. Even though King Saul received a warm welcome from his soldiers, he was very worried. Among the Philistines stood a giant warrior named Goliath. Goliath struck fear into the hearts of even the bravest men. Every morning, Goliath would go to the front lines to challenge the Israelites.
All right, boys. Orders are in. We're heading to the front lines. No Philistine gets past the valley.
Hello, boys.
Oh my God. He's massive. What kind of man is that?
They call me Goliath. You'll call me Death.
He's not a man. He's a monster.
Send a man to fight me. If he falls, all of Israel bows down to me.
We need backup now.
Who of you idiots want to die first?
Even King Saul was at a loss, unsure of how to deal with such a formidable enemy. With the shadow of war looming over Israel, King Saul sent messengers throughout the land to gather more soldiers for the battle. One of these messengers arrived in Bethlehem, where an elderly man named Jesse lived with his 8 sons.
Listen up, people. War is upon us. King Saul calls every man to battle. Who among you will fight the Philistines?
We will stand with King Saul against the Philistines.
Eliab.
Son, remember, battles are won with faith as much as strength.
This is my chance to finally prove myself, Father. Ha!
David, the youngest son, watched as his brothers prepared to leave. He wished he could go with them, but he knew he had to stay behind because he was too young to fight. The next morning, David's brothers joined the messenger and left for King Saul's camp. They were ready to face the Philistines and defend Israel. David stayed behind to take care of his father's sheep, but he promised himself that he would do everything he could to support his brothers and his people.
I can't believe they left without me. Hurry up, guys. We're almost there.
Hey!
Wow. All right, here we go. Guess even bears don't like bees.
Whoa. That was really close. Hey guys, we're safe now.
In the fields with the sheep, with my harp I will weep, songs to praise your name, in your love I remain. Stars above gently shine, in your grace I am fine, through the night I will sing, for my heart you're the king. Oh my God, you are near, in my soul there's no fear, with my harp I will play, devotion in your name. When the lion draws near, I will stand without fear, by your hand I am strong, in your strength I belong. Oh. When the lion draws near, I will stand without fear, by your hand I am strong, in your strength I belong. In the stillness I hear your soft whisper is near. With this song I proclaim all the wonders of your name. Oh my God, you are near, in my soul there's no fear, with my harp I will play, devotion every day.
It's time to bring some food to my sons. I hope he's somewhere close.
Father, here I am.
Hello, son. Come here and give your old man a hug.
Father, I rescued the sheep from the lion and the bear.
Oh, David, you don't have to make up stories to impress me.
But Father...
Enough, David. If you want to be useful, bring this food to your brothers at the battlefield.
But, I mean... Okay, Father.
Early the next morning, David left the sheep in care of another young shepherd boy.
Goodbye, David. Good luck on your journey.
Thanks, Sam. Catch you later.
What is a boy doing in a place like this?
I come with food. It's for my brothers.
The battle is about to begin, but you can leave the food with me.
The battle is about to begin? I need to find my brothers. Here, take the food.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm going to help my brothers.
Oh no, he's going to Goliath.
Sharpen your blades, men. By nightfall, not a single Israelite will be left standing.
I can hear them. Oh no, it's Goliath. He's coming.
You cowards. Fight me.
There's no way we can beat them.
Who are you?
Me? Who is this Philistine? And why is no one fighting him?
Oh, you can't fight a man like that. No one can.
But we have to do something. If no one else will fight him, then I will do it.
David, are you stupid? Do you think you can fight Goliath?
Eliab. But no one wants to fight him.
Oh, you stupid little boy. Of course no one wants to fight him. He's a giant.
I know he's a giant, but I trust that God will protect me.
Listen to me, little brother. Stop acting silly now, and go back to your sheep before you get yourself killed.
No, Eliab. I can't just stand by and do nothing.
Huh?
Wow, this kid is crazy. Someone tell the king.
King Sulod, are you crying?
No, of course not.
If you want someone to talk to, I could...
I'm not crying. Why are you here? What you want?
My king, there's someone outside. Someone who says they're willing to fight Goliath.
What? Well, send for this brave warrior at once.
Yes, my king, right away.
I'm David, my lord.
Is this a joke? You're just a boy. Dear God, why have you abandoned me?
God has not abandoned us, my king. He just waits for someone to believe again.
And what do you know about God, little boy?
When a lion took one of my father's sheep, I chased it down. When a bear came in the night, I drove it back into the wild. It wasn't because of strength. It was because of faith.
Well, maybe you came here for a reason. If it's true, if the Lord truly is with you, you can be my champion.
Thank you, my king. I'll give everything I have.
What have I done? God be with him.
Father, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me.
Samuel, rise and anoint him, for he is the one.
This is Israel's champion, a child. Don't you know who I am?
I know your name, your fame, and your pride, but I don't fear you like the others do.
Is that so? I'll break you, bone by bone, and leave what's left of you for the birds.
You come against me with sword and spear, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of the armies of Israel, whom you have defied.
You fool! Your God has sent you to die.
No. This day, the Lord will deliver you into my hands, and the whole world will know there is a God in Israel.
No! That boy! He killed him!
He did it! The boy defeated the giant! Now rise, men! For Israel!
For Israel!
For Israel! For Israel! For Israel!
They're coming? We need to go!
Oh no! Forget the battle! Run! Run for your lives!
Charge forward! God fights with us!
Show them no mercy!
Run!
And so, the story of Goliath was over. But the story of David had just begun.